Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Top of the Cardano blockchain, doubling the figure seen at the end of last year. There are now 5.01 million native assets on Cardano deployed across over 54,800 policies. Minting policies, according to Cardano's documentation, are a set of rules that govern the minting and burning of assets scoped under that policy. Native tokens themselves are bespoke assets that can be interacted with right out of the box, without the use of smart contracts. The network's documentation notes native assets can practically be treated as ADA in every sense, because the capability is already built in. Data has also shown that ADA whale transactions have shot up to a 4-month high after the price of the cryptocurrency plunged to a bottom at 40 cents earlier this year. Whales were seemingly buying the dip ahead of an upcoming hard fork that will improve the network's performance. That hard fork, known as the Vassal hard fork, is set to deliver a massive improvement to the network. Meanwhile, the price of XRP has been negatively affected by Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb, who has sold over 450 million tokens so far this year and still has over 220 million on his wallet. Like Bitcoin futures, allow investors to speculate on an asset's price without the need to physically hold the underlying asset. Investors use them to bet on price movement and hedge against the asset's volatility. The spot market, by contrast, deals with the real-time price and delivery of an asset. There's no buying a contract to buy or sell Bitcoin if it hits a certain price in the future. The transaction takes place immediately. We're off to a really good start. The screens are lit. We've had some really good trades, Shaw said. And just to unpack that a little bit, the micro Bitcoin futures contract we launched in May of last year, and already we've done close to 5 million contracts. The group's initial Bitcoin futures contract has experienced significant growth as well. In the few years, just over 4 years since we launched our initial futures contract, the standard Bitcoin future with 5-time multiplier, we've seen that grow in the Cardano network, just like other networks, had watched its TVL decline. On Monday, the network's TVL had dropped to $118 million, its lowest in a 2-month period. However, this would prove to be short-lived given that a surge bumped it back above $150 million in TVL. In a 24-hour period, Cardano's TVL had added more than 96% to its value, bringing it to its current position of $155.24 million locked on the network. MinSwap, Min, continues to dominate on the network, while newcomer Wing Riders, WRT, has beat out OG Protocol SundaeSwap, Sunday, to claim the second position in terms of TVL. SundaeSwap now places third with a total of $36.51 million locked. DeFi TVL still struggling. 2021 was no doubt the year of decentralized finance, DeFi, given how much TVL was added in the span of a year. From trending at $21 billion in January 2021, DeFi TVL peaked at $230 billion. Next to it is SundaeSwap, a native, scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol that is backed by Fund, Alameda Research, and Double Peak Group. While MinSwap has $188 million in total value locked, SundaeSwap has $113 million. As CryptoGlobe reported, a widely followed ADA whale has recently revealed they believe the total value locked and the Cardano blockchain is going into the billions soon as more projects are launched on top of it. The whale added that alternatives to decentralized money markets such as Compound and OV are lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. Their comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. 1,000 contracts a day to now 10,000 a day, she said. That growth is mind-boggling. Outside of CME, the crypto derivatives market has been getting a lot of attention from crypto-native exchanges. Crypto.com, FTX and Coinbase have all made moves to cater to derivatives traders in the past year. Legendary rapper Snoop Dogg to launch an NFT collection on Cardano. American rapper Snoop Dogg has taken another step in his crypto, but this time, the rapper is making a bet on Cardano. Snoop Dogg, who has been in the NFT space since last year, has become a well-known name in the space due to his unrelenting support and his collections, which are worth millions of dollars, the majority of which are domiciled on Ethereum. Now, the rapper is turning his attention to Cardano for his latest foray into the NFT space. Making big moves, Cardano has grown to become one of the most sought-after decentralized finance (DeFi) networks after the launch of smart contracts capability last year. So much so that it has caught the eye of big players such as Snoop Dogg, who is now launching his own NFT collection on the blockchain. This was announced on Twitter by Clay Nation, who is launching the NFT collection in conjunction with Snoop Dogg and NFT artist Champ Medici. This partnership will bring to life various collectibles, unreleased music from the rap veteran, and other limited edition pitches. This partnership is endorsed by Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, who makes a cameo in the announcement video featuring two clay characters made for Snoop Dogg and Champ Medici. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.